What's up, y'all? Back at it again. Now today I'm just trying to fix some issues with the headlights. Now I'm have in mind to order some in the future, like the depot projector headlights, but I'm just having a hard time trying to find something that's in stock right now. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this Mother's Headlight Renewal kit. So I'm gonna try to see if this works, because as you can see, they're very dim, just that old residue that ends up coming on all old cars. So I'm gonna try to repair this because I can't see anything out of it. So right now I have on order some LED headlights. I don't know if that's gonna make anything any better, but for right now I'm just gonna try to polish this with this kit. So I'm gonna be using my wife's car as a prop. I'm trying to record the whole thing. So let's see what the kit's got inside. So let's just read any further details on what it does. So I guess it has this quick polish tool, that, and then the actual stuff. So I guess it's 3 steps. So you prep it, polish it, and then you just shine it. Open it. Let's see how we do this with one hand. Polish. This carbon pad. And this, which this looks like it has just like some type of adhesive that it just goes on, and you just replace it with the other one that already currently has the piece already in it. Now I'm just going to be using a regular drill. This is what I have, so it should work. I have 2 batteries. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get started on this one, and I'll show y'all the results between this one and that one. Alright, we'll get y'all mounted up on there. Further looking into it, this is everything that the kit includes. It's got 800, 1500, and 3000 grit sandpaper in it, and it just lists what's needed. On the back it lists the steps. So we're gonna try to get this done. So first thing I did, I prepped the surface. Hey, don't judge me. I'm prepping the surface. Well, excuse me. Retract that. I'm gonna try to beep that out. Ain't supposed to be cussing. So don't judge me on the tape job. I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to get this application done. I'm kind of in a hurry. Sun's already going down, and I'm trying to make it happen. So I prepped the surface. The next step, it says, oh, and then another thing on there, you need something with water. You need like a squirt bottle or something like that to apply water to this, because you're going to be sanding it or whatnot. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the 800 grit. So I'm going to take this out. Inside of the pack, it's got 1500, and then I believe 3000 grit. So first thing, 800, and then daggone. So take this, tighten that on there, and then applying the 800 grit. Oh, wrong side, I'm tripping. Oh, it already had the 3000 grit on there. So taking that off the Velcro, which it has the Velcro in, and then now we have the 800 grit. So here we go. So keeping the settings. All right, let's get started on it. So first thing, squirting it in the applied areas. So this is the results of using the 800 grit. So I pretty much scratched the lens to where, because you could tell the spots that you missed on the lens, and I just went back and applied the water, and then rescuffed in all of the places that looked like they had been missed. So this is pretty much the result of the 800 grit. So now to move on to the 1500. So this is after the 1500 grit. Now going back and drying it with the microfiber cloth, you can see that there's some spots that are missed. So I'm gonna go back and try to touch in there because there should be even spots. And at this point it should be reducing the haze. So I'm gonna go back and apply it again. So after going back through, now I got a even haze that's all the way across everything. And I'm just gonna go to the 3000. Now the kit does have a sandpaper per headlight, so there's 2 of all, the 800, 1500, and 3000. So for the 3000 grit, the surface need to be completely dry. So do not wet the surface as instructed. I almost thought that I was, getting somewhere, and almost not looking at the instructions saying that it needs to be completely dry. So drying the surface, and then we're moving on. So this is after the 3000 grit. Now it did not really bring out a lot of the smaller things, but this is an old car where I feel like a lot of the stuff is from the inside. So I did the best I could on the outside. So this is comparison on this side on the 3000 grit from the side that we didn't even start. So we have this one and we have this one. Okay, so don't be looking too much at my ash. My ash is all I get out here. But the last step is just using the buffing tool and the compound. We're gonna see how that turns out. Okay, so I'm pretty impressed with the results. I mean, it's not the world's best, like it's like brand new, but it's way better than what I was working with before. I could barely even see through these. Mind you that these are just the regular halogen bulbs. Like as I said before, I have some LED ones coming in. I know everybody's gonna say go HIDs, this, that, and the third, but it's a work in progress. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the headlight so you guys can see what that looks like. So with the headlights, you could definitely tell like the blemishes, but I can see a lot better than this. Look at that, and look at that. I could see the headlight. So other than that, go ahead and support your boy. Hit the subscribe button. All right, like and ring the bell because there's a lot more content coming. All right, peace.